Hey guys, today I'm going to give you an update on my FUE hair transplant, a 3-week update. And I also want to talk about the benefits of FUE versus taking medicines like Rogaine or Propecia. So let's get right to it. So like I said, it's been 3 weeks since I had my procedure, and I gotta say, my hairline looks great. I mean, this is like awesome. Look at it. It looks so full and like cool. I don't know. It reminds me of Daddy Yankee's hair, although I think I have more hair than him now. Let me show you guys a close-up. All right, so this is a close-up of the new hairs. Basically, all of this is new. I had 1,600 grafts put into my frontal hairline, and they look really good. And you know, surprisingly, none of them have fallen off. Hopefully, it stays that way. Although the doctor said there's like a 90% chance they're gonna fall off, but I'm hoping I'm in that 10% where they like stay with you. Now let me show you guys my donor area. So it looks really like healed, like you can't tell anything happened there. And I actually buzzed my hair on the sides yesterday so I could look better in the video, but as you can see, it looks pretty good. You can't tell that I had anything done. So some things to consider about getting an FUE hair transplant is that in the first week you have to wear like a pillow when you sleep. And to me, that was the hardest part of this whole procedure, because basically you have to wear that thing and you have to sleep like a mummy, looking straight up for like a whole week. And I mean, the doctor said I could after 5 days I could stop using the pillow, but I just wanted to be extra careful. And think of it this way, having to sleep with a pillow for a week isn't that bad when you consider the alternative is taking Rogaine twice a day for the rest of your life, and if you stop taking it, the hair falls out. I mean, what mad scientist thought of that? I mean, I guess it's an evil genius, right? Or the other one is Propecia, which makes you impotent, and I'm like, no thank you. It's like, no, I still want to, you know, be able to perform. So it's like nothing to think about. It's like you might as well get a hair transplant because it's guaranteed to work. Well, if you go to a good doctor like Dr. Cortez, and it's like permanent and it's like instant because, you know, one day you don't have hair, the next day you do, and it's your own hair. It's just, they just move it around. It's kind of cool. So the side effects of a hair transplant are pretty minor, but the side effects of taking Propecia, Rogaine, or Finasteride, they're with you for life. And the last thing I want to do is make Big Pharma richer. I mean, I don't even eat ketchup that has high fructose corn syrup in it. In exactly 1 week, I'm going back to Hair Medical Restoration to get a PRP treatment. That's the platelet-rich plasma treatment. And that's basically when they get like your blood, they put the blood in a centrifuge, this machine that spins, and it separates the white blood cells from the red blood cells, and they put the white blood cells and the plasma into your scalp. And basically it's like hair food or hair fertilizer, and it makes your hair grow faster, like regenerate faster. So, and that's all included in the price. So that's another great benefit of going to Hair Medical Restoration. If you guys have any question about the FUE hair transplant, go ahead and write them down in the comments. I'm a very interactive YouTuber and I'll reply to all questions, all right? So if you like this video, also give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to follow me on my hair journey. Doesn't that sound crazy? Hair journey. It's like I'm going to a planet of hair. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll post another video in a couple of weeks. Anyways, I'm Moises, and I'm out.